1 year ago, if someone had told me that ChethanAIChronicles would one day reach 5000 plus subscribers within a year, I honestly wouldn't have believed them. Not because I didn't dream about it, but because I knew how difficult the journey would be. Every YouTube creator starts with an idea that may or may not work, a dream that nobody else can see. When I uploaded my first videos, there was no guarantee, there was no audience, there was no viral moment. Just a simple goal to make AI easy to understand for everyone. At the beginning, the numbers were small, and sometimes only handful of people watched. Sometimes I would spend hours creating a video only to see a few views after publishing. Even though the numbers were small, your comments kept me going. I consistently started uploading the videos on a weekly basis, and my audience and kept on learning. Let me show you how I got the subscribers in the later point of time. So if you see the graph, so first I started this channel on around August 5th 2025, but first I have uploaded the content on September 6th. At September 6th I had only 9 subscribers, and September 8th, September 12th, so September, October, and November I got some fewer amount of subscribers, and next it went to December around Jan 2026, Feb to 2026 I reached 100 subscribers. So that is this year only, Feb 2nd 2026. Afterwards I slowly increase the quality of the content, and also increase the how to do real AI solutions. And March also was less only. March was around 130, April also was around 144, and then April end also it was around 235. From May I think it got kick started, and in May I almost jumped from April 30 to May 30. It was almost 1000 subscribers. June, July, August, afterwards I reached around 5299 subscribers. So it means that for any YouTube creators, so first important is consistency, and second important thing is patience. And if you don't have any patience, or if you don't actually do consistently the videos, actually there is no hope that you will do those things in an effective manner in at least YouTube, right? So what I advise everybody is that start when you want to start any YouTube channel. So you hope every day, every uploads, or every uploads what you do, so that actually needs to have in YouTube. And when you want to create any YouTube content, so improve your content week by week, so that success is guaranteed for you. So for the new YouTube creators, what I advise is that don't be in a old methodologies whatever you are doing. See, first I was started with created with AIs, but next I started with dealing the practical AI solutions. So like that you just improve your content and also improve your content quality, and for after every upload, I think the success is guaranteed for every YouTube content creators. So that is my advice. And so thank you so much for this for 5,000 plus subscribers in this channel, and I want you guys to everything whatever you guys are doing currently. So I want to thank each and everyone. And looking back, I am proud of the numbers, but even more proud of the impact what it has done. But this isn't a destination, right? It's just the beginning. If you have watched even one video, thank you so much. If you have shared the videos, thank you so much. If you have commented for that particular video, thank you so much. So even if you have interacted with any of the videos, and if you feel that my content needs to be improved also, if you have if you just given the feedback also, that is also thank you so much. If you dislike the video also, thank you so much, because that's where we will learn as a creators. So let's continue learning, building and growing together, and see you at 10k subscribers. So hopefully it will happen faster than ever before. And thank you so much. Have a nice day, have a nice week. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.